August was a record-breaking month for the SP/TSX Composite Index, which surged by an impressive 4.79%, setting a new benchmark for market strength. This upward trend wasn't limited to a few sectors. It spanned materials, healthcare, technology, communication services, financials, energy, and real estate, with returns ranging from 15.75% to 3.45% across these industries. However, not all sectors fared equally well. Industrials, utilities, and consumer staples saw minimal losses, barely dipping below neutral levels. By month's end, the index had gained 15.51% year-to-date, reflecting a resilient market. But here's where it gets controversial. While the overall picture was positive, some investors might question whether the soaring returns are sustainable. For instance, the top-performing stocks like SSR Mining Inc., up 60%, and Equinox Gold Corp., up 42%, highlight the potential for explosive gains. But at what cost? These companies' success might be driven by short-term factors rather than long-term fundamentals. The market's optimism is also reflected in analyst forecasts. Stocks with the largest upward revisions to their target prices include Shopify Inc., up 35%, and MDA Space Limited, up 33%, while others like EQB Inc., down 10%, and George Weston Limited, down 7%, face downward pressure. Analysts often base target prices on financial models like discounted cash flow, but these projections can be skewed by outliers or overly optimistic assumptions. As one might ask, are these high target prices realistic, or are they just inflated expectations? September historically poses challenges for equity investors, with the index posting losses in 10 of the past 20 years. Yet, the current PE ratio of 16.5 suggests investors are pricing in future earnings growth of 9.4% over the next 12 months. Still, don't let the numbers fool you. Companies like Loblaw Co. Ltd. down 5% and Bird Construction Inc. down 6% remind us that even in a bull market, volatility can't be ignored. To dive deeper, here's a breakdown of analysts' current target prices, recommendations, and forecasted returns for all 211 securities in the index, sorted by expected price performance. Remember, while high target prices may seem enticing, they're just one piece of the puzzle. Always scrutinize a company's fundamentals before making investment decisions. Download the full report here, https://.editor.investing-tsx.